And we're back with another episode of Wake Up with Wops. This is just a Sunday routine to go over the watch list and our positions. So let's get to it. Toll Brothers, housing is doing well in general, so we're looking good. Hopefully we remount the 200 SMA this week coming up. Earnings are in 23 days, so hopefully we run up before earnings. Affirm, not looking too well, but did bounce out the 50 SMA and showed some support. Hopefully we continue going up and break this range. 18 days until earnings, so hopefully we run up and we could sell. Nike, it did break the moving averages 9 EMA and 20 SMA, but looks like we found some support. I'm still holding 58 days till earnings, so this is a longer term hold. Hopefully we get to our target price. Labu broke the range that I had right here, but we have support at the 50 SMA moving average, so hopefully we hold that support and continue going up. Stocks to get into. I'm not getting into any of these stocks, but I like to look just in case I feel like I want to this week coming up. Urban Outfitters is looking well. It remounted the 9 EMA. Look at that candle. Hopefully we open up on Monday and continue going higher. You can see there's like a range right here. So I'm liking Urban Outfitters. Still 23 days until earnings. So you have some time for a potential run up if you're looking to enter into any stocks. Nail also housing ETF. You could see this is a leverage ETF, so it's up 8%. But it's looking well, remounted the 9 EMA at the top of this range I have here. So hopefully we continue going up for Nail. But again, I'm not into these positions. These are just ones that I would enter into if I wanted. All right, my earnings play. TT we went over if you follow the channel. This is why I don't hold between earnings, because you can see it ran up, consolidated for a couple days here, 30 days or so, ran up, and then earnings came out and it gapped down. But we're consolidating right where it gapped down. So if we break this candle right here, it could be an enter to continue going to our last level right here at 476 and then even higher. So I'm watching TT. Same thing with Pega, hoping for maybe a deeper pullback to the 20 SMA, this level right here. Around there, and then if it shows some relative strength, some support, I could enter into Pega. Fix consolidating right here. I would like more consolidation days, have the moving average, the 9 EMA, creep up and get tight, and then you could even enter as anticipation play that it'll break this range from its good earnings report. Kind of the same thing with WGS. More consolidation days, let the moving averages catch up. They're curling up right now. Once it gets tight, you could enter, maybe anticipate a break off. Now let's go into crypto. Say I'm looking at, hopefully it remounts the 50 SMA moving averages, and then the 9 EMA also curls. That would be a nice enter right there, and then we continue going up. I'm watching Say, I like it. You guys know, if you watch the channel, I love Aave. Looking for a remount of the 9 EMA, this blue line, and the 50 SMA. If we catch up to those lines, maybe I could enter for a long. Fart coin, my best trade ever. I went over in the channel, go look at it. So we're bounce out the 200 SMA, the long-term trend. I got into the trade here, and then I sold at the top. Now came back to the 200 SMA. I'm looking to do the same thing, bounce. But it's not looking too well right now. I'm not convinced. So I want maybe more green days, a little bounce here, and then if it remounts the 9 EMA or even the 50 SMA moving averages, then I could re-enter for a fart coin long. Can't believe I'm saying this, but even Litecoin is looking good right now, which is crazy. This is dinosaur coin. So it remounted the 9 EMA and 20 SMA. You could see here. Maybe if we open up on the next candle, you could get a little bounce up. Who knows? I'm not entering into any crypto plays either. I'm holding cash and I'm just waiting to see. And that's it for now. These are the coins and stocks I'll get into. Maybe we could look at Pepe too. Pepe's consolidating at the 200 SMA could be a good enter if it remounts the yellow line and blue line right there. That would be a good enter. I'm also looking at Dogecoin. I like Dogecoin a lot. Finding support at the 50 SMA yellow line right here. Hopefully we continue up. If we break this long-term average, the 200 SMA, which we did here, I could look to re-enter and maybe go for a long for Dogecoin. And that's it. That's a Sunday routine.